What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be taking a look at how to change the Windows boot screen. That's when Windows is booting up and you see that little emblem that's moving around with Windows 7 on it. We're going to be changing all that to a new funky design. But before I do that, I want to stress that this is not for everyone, and if you do decide to do it, you will be doing this at your own risk. I will not take no responsibility if you lose data or your system crashes and Windows crashes and you have to format and rebuild your operating system. I'm not going to be responsible for that, okay guys? So let's get started anyway. So the first program you're going to need is this. It's called Windows 7 Boot Updater. You can donate here if you wish, if you find it useful, but this guy has made a little program which allows you to change the actual icon or the actual animation in there, okay? And also he's got some original download ones here as well. Now I have uploaded this to VirusTotal. It's totally safe, there's nothing in it, so if you want to upload it yourself before you install it, just in case you think it's got a virus in it, it hasn't, and I've done that and it's all clear, okay? So anyway, so here's the actual Windows 7 animation that you may want to roll back to, but as I said, it's always best to make a clone of your drive or make a restore point. The next thing we're going to be needing is some animations, and you can get these on DeviantArt, and we're going to be using this one here, which is made by this corrupt ninja. We're going to be using this, so kudos to him for making it, and I'll leave all these links in the description. Yes, you can see there's tons of them on here. People have made loads of them, but this is the one I'm going to be showing you how to do, okay? I've already downloaded all my stuff, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do here is right click on this program and run this as administrator. Once we got this fired up, as you can see, you've got the starting windows, and when you click on play you should see what it looks like. Now we're going to be changing all this, and you can change all the text and everything else if you wish. Okay, so let me get my files here. I'm going to open up my files. I'm going to use 7-zip to do that, and as you can see, these are the actual files that the guy has created. Okay, he's got loads of different colors here, from purple to blue to green to orange, and we're going to be using the red one here, or orange one I should say, and this is the one we're going to use, the 4.3. okay, and he's also got 16.9 in there, so I'm just going to drag that onto my desktop there and close that off. Okay, to load up the BS7 files, what we need to do here is go to where it says File and Load Bootskin, and then we need to go to our location. Now I've saved my orange particle boot screen into boot screen folder here, so I'm just going to quickly open this, and now it's selected animation here at the top, as you can see, and if I push this now you will see that it's changed the actual animation on there. Now if I want to change this text here, you can also do that as well, and as you can see here, you can leave it as is if you wish and change the color. So I'm just going to quickly change the color of it. I'm not going to bother changing, I'm going to just make it orange, and also onto the next message where it says start in Windows, I'm going to also leave that as is, but you can change it to what you like here, but I'm just going to change that to make it all orange like so, so it's all in the same color. Now there's also another way of doing it, which is the other area where we can actually select a static image, but we're using animation here. Okay, so I'm going to apply this, and that's successfully done. So let's reboot our system and see what it looks like. So I'm just going to quickly reboot. And there you have the screen with the new animation on it. Pretty cool. So we'll just let this load in. Now you can also use other types as well if you wish, by downloading them off of that website there, and I will put the links in the description. Now if you want to change it back, you can also do that too. So what we want to do here is right click on this and run this as administrator, click yes, and then once we've got this back we can then put it back to default settings. So what we want to do here is click on animation and then go to desktop where we have our actual folder here, and select that folder. And there you can see it's back to normal. Now if we apply this, that will change our Windows back to the default settings. So that's basically how you change the Windows boot screen on a Windows computer. Now I don't use this on my own computers, I don't do it at all, I just leave it as standard. But if you want to learn how to do it, then that's how you do it, okay? But make sure that you make adequate backups of your computer, and you do this at your own risk, as I said. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. If you enjoy these videos, hit the like button guys, it really does help me out, and also hit the subscribe button and that will keep you up to date when I upload new videos. So thanks again for watching, bye for now.